Would you stand a better chance of selling me something if you blindfolded me, stuck earplugs in, tied my arms behind my back, and spun me around a bunch of times so I was dizzy? Of course not. Yet, so many of us don't understand that if your prospect, if your buyer, if the company that you're working with does not know what your price is, or at the very least a ballpark range of how much you cost, it's literally like blindfolding them, sticking stuff in their ears, and making them dizzy till they want to puke. If they don't know the price, they can't focus on listening to you. It literally blocks their ability to take your solutions and you seriously. So when you're having a first conversation with a prospect, make sure you make every effort to get your pricing out in front of them as quickly as possible. When you hide it, you're just blocking their ability to consider you seriously. My name is Matt Easton. Follow me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.